Meaning of decimal point.
Decimal point.
Decimal point.
Decimal point.
Decimal point. A decimal point is a punctuation mark used to separate the integer part of a number from its fractional part. It is represented by a dot symbol in the written form of a number. The placement of the decimal point determines the value of the number. Numbers to the left of the decimal point are whole numbers, while numbers to the right represent fractions or parts of a whole. Understanding how to use and interpret the decimal point is crucial in fields such as mathematics, finance, and science, where precision is paramount for accurate calculations and measurements.